We're going to learn how to multiply mixed numbers. It's not as bad as you think. Let's have a look. Okay, now we're going to learn how to multiply a fraction with a mixed number. First, we have to make this mixed number into an improper fraction. We will do that here in our working space. So let me go show you. You've learned how to do it before, but just to recap, let's have a look at how it's done. 2 and 6/8. We now need to make it into an improper fraction from a mixed number. So we first have to multiply 8 times 2, and we're going to get 16. We'll keep that in our head. I'll just write it just so we can see it. And then we're going to add the 16 to this numerator of 6. And that will give us our new numerator. So 16 plus 6 is 22 over. And then remember, the denominator stays the same. Okay, so now we have 2 and 6/8 as 22 over 8 when it's an improper fraction. Before I go write it back here to complete the calculation, I'm going to reduce it further because I can see 2 can fit in there and 2 can fit in there. So let's go reduce it further. We're going to divide the numerator by 2, and what we always do to one, we have to do to the other. So we're going to divide the denominator by 2. So now we have 22 divided by 2 is going to be 11. And 8 divided by 2 is going to be 4. Right, so now we can go write everything back there. We'll take this and we'll go put it back where the 2 and 6/8 stood, because that's exactly what it is. We've been working with it and got it back to that value. Okay, now we're going to do our normal timesing. We can't reduce any further here, so we're going to go 1 times 11 and write our numerator, and then 7 times 4 and write our denominator. Okay, so 1 times 11 equals 11, and 7 times 4 equals 28. And that's your answer. You can see that we can't reduce it any further. Nothing will go into 11 as well as 28, so that is reduced as it stands there. Let's look at the next one. Now we have a mixed number multiplied by a mixed number, so there's going to be quite a bit of working out here. Let's first start by making this one into an improper fraction. We can do that right here because it's nice and easy. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So let's put a 7 there. Over, the denominator stays the same, 7 over 5. Right, this one we might need our workspace for, so let's go to put 7 1/4 in there and make it into an improper fraction. Okay, so 7 times 4 is 28, plus that 1 is going to be 29 over 4. Okay, so we can go write 29 over 4 here. Right, so now you know that we have to multiply 7 by 29, and we have to multiply 5 by 4 when multiplying these fractions. But you can see we've done our 29 times table, so let's quickly go do a multiplication here in our scrap area. I'm going to write 29 times 7. Okay, right, so now I'm going to multiply them out. 9 times 7 is 63, carry a 6. And 2 times 7 is 14, plus that 6 is going to be equal to 20. Right, so our numerator will be 203 over, and then we're going to do 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, so you can see our answer is actually an improper fraction. If you want to see how to convert this into a mixed number, you can hang around. I'll quickly do it here for you, but you can leave it like that for your teacher. It will still be correct. But if you want to impress her further, you're going to have to do a long division by dividing that into there and writing a mixed number. So we're going to put 20 into 203 in a long division box. Let's go do that. Now we first do divide, times, minus, bring down. Those are our steps. So we're going to say 20 into 20 goes once. So it was basically we did this into this, goes once. That's our times done. Our divide done. Now we're going to times. We're going to times 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. So we're going to do that. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, our times is done. Now our minus is this here. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 is nothing. That's our minus done. Now you can see we've got our bring down step next, because we've got to bring down this 3 here. Okay, so we've done our bring down. Now we have to go back up to divide. Now we're going to divide 20 into 3. I know it doesn't go in, but you still have to do it. So we're going to write down a 0 at the top here. 20 goes into 3 0 times. That's our divide done. Now our times step, it's going to be 0. 0 times 20 is 0, so we're going to do that. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. That's our times step done. Now our minus step. It's going to be 3 minus 0 is 3, and the other one is just 0. Okay, so you can see we've got a remainder of 3. Now how do we write 10 remainder 3 as a mixed number? Well, remember, our denominator is 20. So it's going to be equal to 20. What is our whole number here? It's this 10 here, 10. Okay, so it went in 10 times. And what's our remainder? Our remainder is 3. So the 3 goes here. Okay, so there you know. You know how to do converting a really big improper fraction to a mixed number again. You can do it using long division. Don't forget to use your practice worksheet. The worksheet is waiting on my website for you. It's on this link above my head here. And you can also follow me on YouTube for more maths videos. My handle is also available in this video.